Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel Steps to Profit. Today was closing day for Netweb Technologies IPO and Asarfi Hospital IPO. Both the IPO have oversubscribed heavily on its last day. If we look at Netweb Technologies subscription status, then qualified institutional buyers have break the record in terms of subscription. They have subscribed around 252 times. We have seen increase in the grey market premium for both the IPOs. In this video, we will see how both of these IPO have performed. Netweb Technologies IPO has opened on 17th of July and today was closing day for this IPO. Company has kept face value of 2 rupees per share. The price band was set at the price of 475 to 500. The lot size of this IPO is 30 shares. The total issue is 631 crores. The listing of this IPO will occur on 27th of July and it will get listed on both BSE and NSE. Company has kept 34.95% of this IPO reserved for retail investors, 29.95% for anchor investors, 19.97% for qualified institutional buyers, 14.98% for HNI, and 0.15 for its employee. On its closing day, this IPO was subscribed 90.55 times. Qualified institutional buyers have made record for this IPO and they have subscribed 220.69 times. While HNI have subscribed this IPO 83.21 times, retail investors have subscribed this IPO 19.48 times, while employee have subscribed this IPO 55.92 times. Qualified institutional buyers have bid for 27,809.28 crore rupees. HNI have bid for 7,864.31 crore rupees. Retail investors have bid for 4,295.91 crore rupees, while employee have bid for 53.13 crore rupees. So on the closing day, the total bid occur for 40,022.62 crore rupees. From day one only, this IPO was getting very good response in terms of subscription. On day 1, this IPO got subscribed 2.38 times. On day 2, 9.23 times. While on day 3, 90.55 times. If we compare day 2 and day 3 subscription, then the subscription has increased by around 881%, which is very huge. On its closing day, the qualified institutional buyers and HNI have gave very good response for this IPO. So we can expect short-term capital gains as well as long-term capital gains. We can expect good performance from this company. Today we have seen increased grey market premium for this IPO. Grey market premium for this IPO is 363 rupees. Estimated listing price will be around 863 rupees, which will offer around 72.60% of listing capital gain with the amount of 10,890 rupees per single lot. Retailers have subscribed this IPO 19.48 times. IPO allocation will occur for one application out of 19 applications for retailers. Asarfi Hospital IPO was open on 17th of July and today was closing day for this IPO. The company has kept face value of 10 rupees. The IPO price band was set at 51 to 52 rupees per share. The lot size was 2000 shares. Total issue size was 26.94 crore rupees. The listing will occur on 27th of July 2023 and it will get listed on BSE SME. The company has kept 33.24% of this IPO reserved for retail investors, 28.49% for anchor investors, 5.02% for market makers, and 19% for qualified institutional buyers. On its closing day, Asarfi Hospital IPO subscribed 195.14 times. Qualified institutional buyers have subscribed this IPO 50.60 times. Retail investors have subscribed this IPO 451.62 times, while retail investors have subscribed this IPO 167.81 times. Qualified institutional buyers have bid for 258.90 crore rupees HNI have bid for 1733.13 crore rupees, while retailer have bid for 1502.64 crore rupees. So on its closing day, total bid occurred for 3494.67 crore rupees. 167.81 times subscription occurred at retail investors end. This IPO will get allotted to one application out of 167 application at retail investors end. If we see day-wise subscription status, then on day 1, this IPO got subscribed 2.52 times, on day 2 18.01 times, on last day 195.14 times. The difference between day 2 and day 3 subscription is around 983%. This IPO also got very good response on its last day from qualified institutional buyers and from HNI. So we might expect short-term as well as long-term capital gain from this IPO, and we might expect very good performance from this company. Today the grey market premium for this IPO has increased from 31 rupees to 32 rupees. The estimated listing price will be around 84 rupees, which will offer 61.54, that is approximate 62% of listing capital gain. Total 64,000 rupees of listing capital gain is expected from this IPO. Only thing is that on listing day, market should support the IPO. We might expect very good listing for both of these IPO. I will be posting latest grey market premium for these IPOs. Thank you.